Final video to fix mouse acceleration issues in Counter-Strike 2. And if your aim feels slippery, slow, or never the same twice, you are in the right place. So tell me, are you moving your mouse the same way every time, but your crosshair still flies off target? This problem happens because Counter-Strike 2 can mix Windows mouse settings, in-game input, and hidden acceleration values, which breaks muscle memory and ruins aim control. Many players think their mouse is broken when the real issue sits inside simple settings. And if you search on YouTube or social media, you already saw long videos with hard steps, confusing commands, and settings that do not even work anymore. Most guides make this feel harder than it should be. But on Rexist, I keep things clean and simple. Now here's a secret easy trick. You do not need new software, and you do not need to change 10 files. You only need to sync one core mouse setting with one in-game option, so the game stops adding fake speed to your movement. Once you fix this, your mouse moves exactly how your hand moves. No delay, no boost, no random jumps. Your flicks feel sharp. Your tracking feels smooth, and your confidence comes back fast. This simple fix works for low DPI and high DPI players, and it works on any mouse. I use this method myself, and many Rexist viewers already fix their aim with it. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial to apply this exact fix the right way, comment below and tell me, and I will guide you through it without